Mute duck. Mute ducks have calm, soft quacks. They swim peacefully on ponds. They like to stay close to their mates. Loon common. Common loons have black and white checker feathers. Their haunting calls echo across lakes. They dive deep underwater for fish. Gannet gannets dive into the sea like arrows. They can catch fish far below the surface. Their wings spread wide as they soar above waves. Razorbills have thick black beaks shaped like razors. They swim underwater like penguins. They live in cold ocean regions. Guillemot are black and white seabirds. They stand upright on rocks like penguins. They raise their chicks on steep cliffs. Cormorant, Little cormorants are black water birds. They dive gracefully to catch fish. After swimming, they spread their wings to dry. Anhingas are called snake birds because their necks look like snakes when they swim. They dry their wings in the sun after diving. Frilled herons have soft neck feathers like a scarf. They stand still waiting for fish to swim by. Their quiet patience makes them great hunters. Shoebills have huge beaks shaped like shoes. They live in African swamps. Their stare is so serious that people call them dinosaur birds. Secretary bird. The secretary bird walks tall on long legs. It hunts snakes by kicking them hard. Its head feathers look like quill pens. Bustard great. The great bustard is one of the heaviest flying birds. Males spread their feathers in big displays. They look proud and strong on open plains. Wagtails have long tails that bob up and down. They live near water and catch tiny bugs. Their cheerful movements make them fun to watch. Linnets are small brown birds with red chests. They sing softly in the countryside. Their name comes from their love for flax seeds. Skylarks soar high while singing loud, beautiful songs. They can stay in the air for minutes. Their song sounds like happiness in the sky.